Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to remove a Godaddy domain that is currently hosted on Namecheap. This is helpful if you are switching hosting providers or do not need the domain connected anymore. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to godaddy.com. When we reach the website, we log into our account. After logging in, we go to the domain section. If the menu does not appear, we click the profile menu in the top right corner and select My Products to see our domains. Here, we will see a list of domains. We select the domain to remove the servers from. We can click Manage or go straight to DNS settings. In the DNS section of the domain, we go to the nameservers area. If the domain is using Namecheap nameservers and we want to remove them, we need to change the nameservers. We can enter our own nameservers or choose the recommended option. For this tutorial, we will select the recommended option. We click Save. After saving, our Godaddy domain will no longer be hosted on Namecheap. Now, we can connect the domain to a new hosting provider or update the DNS settings as needed.